Good morning to everyone. In this session, I am going to explain about inverse Laplace transforms. The definition of inverse Laplace transform is if L of f of t equal to f of s, then f of t is called the inverse Laplace transform of f of s. And we write symbolically f of t equal to L inverse of f of s, where L inverse is called the inverse Laplace transformation operator. Here the list of inverse Laplace transform of some elementary functions. Observe and learn, then it is easy to find out inverse Laplace transform of given functions. So this is the first question. Here I am going to find out inverse Laplace transform of given functions. Observe first question. L inverse of 1 by s cube. L inverse of 1 by s power 2 plus 1. That means 3 can be written as 2 plus 1. That means n equal to 2. This is the formula. L inverse of 1 by s power n plus 1 equal to t power n by n factorial. So here n is 2. That's why 2 t square by 2 factorial. Second question. L inverse of 2 by s plus 3. Here 2 is constant. That's why I am writing 2 outside. L inverse of 1 by s plus 3. If plus 3 is there, then we are going to write e power minus 3t. If minus 3 is there, we are going to write e power 3t. So this is the L inverse of given function. Next one, L inverse of 5s by s square plus 9. Take 5 outside. L inverse of s by s square plus 9. 9 can be written as 3 square. This is the formula for cos 3t. Observe, L of cos 3t equal to s by s square plus 3 square. Therefore, L inverse of s by s square plus 3 square is cos 3t. Therefore, the final answer is 5 into cos 3t. Next question is L inverse of 1 by 3 into s square plus 16. Take 3 outside in the denominator, then 3 into s square plus 16 by 3. 16 by 3 can be written as 4 by root 3 whole square. Observe, here the formula L inverse of 1 by s square plus a square is there. Once observe, L of sin at equal to a by s square plus a square. So L goes to this side as L inverse. Take a outside because it is constant. Multiplication becomes division. Therefore, sin at by a equal to L inverse of 1 by s square plus a square. Here a is 4 by root 3. That's why the answer is sin of 4 by root 3 into t divided by 4 by root 3. 4 by root 3 is a fraction. It will be reciprocate. It becomes root 3 by 4. On simplification, the final answer is this one. Next one, L inverse of 2s minus 1 by s square plus 8. Take 2 outside. L inverse of s by s square plus 8 minus L inverse of 1 by s square plus 8. So this is root 8 can be written as root 8 whole square. That's why this is cos root 8 into t minus here this same formula, that is sin root 8t by root 8. L inverse of 3s square plus 4 by s power 4. 3 outside. S square by s power 4 is 1 by s square. 4 outside. 1 by s power 4. Here n is 1. That's why t by 1 factorial. Here 4 can be written as 3 plus 1. That means n is 3. So t cubed by 3 factorial. Constants and plus and minus signs will come as it is. Then on simplification, this is the final answer. L inverse of 3s minus 4 by 16 minus s square. Take minus sign common, then the denominator becomes s square minus 16. So that minus will come here, minus 3. L inverse of s by s square minus 16. Here minus sign is there. We are already taken minus sign common. That's why plus 4 into L inverse of 1 by s square minus 16. 16 can be written as 4 square. So L inverse of s by s square minus 4 square is cos h 4t. 4 plus 4, here plus 4 as it is. L inverse of 1 by s square minus 16 is sin h 4t divided by 4. 4 4 get cancelled. That's why I am going to get sin h 4t here. Next one, L inverse of 1 by s minus 2 by s square plus 5 by s power 4. Write down separate L inverse by taking constants outside. So here L inverse of 1 by s is 1. Here n is 1. So t by 1 factorial. Here n is 3. So t cubed by 3 factorial. On simplification, we are going to get this step. Here also I am writing separate L inverse for each term by taking constants outside. So L inverse of 1 by s plus 2 is, here plus 2 is there, that's why e power minus 2t. Here coefficient of s is 2, that's why I am taking 2 outside, then denominator becomes s plus 5 by 2. Here plus 5 by 2 is there, that's why L inverse is e power minus 5 by 2 into t. Here 3 is common, then denominator becomes s minus 2 by 3. Here minus 2 by 3 is there, that's why L inverse is e power 2 by 3 into t. So the final answer is this one. Next question, L inverse of s plus 2 by s square plus 36 plus 4s minus 1 by s square plus 25. First of all, I am going to write L inverse for this function and this function separately. Again splitting L inverse of s by s square plus 6 square plus 2 by L inverse of 2 by s square plus 6 square plus 4 into L inverse of s by s square plus 5 square minus L inverse of 1 by s square plus 5 square. So this is cos 60. Here 2 outside. This is the L inverse of this is sin 60 by 6 plus 4 as it is. The L inverse of this function is cos 5t. Here the L inverse of this function is sin 5t by 5. So this is the final answer for the given question. So next one, L inverse of 3s plus 5 root 2 s square plus 8. Taking constant outside, I am going to write this step as 3 into L inverse of s by s square plus root 8 whole square, because 8 means root 8 whole square, 5 root 2 common, L inverse of 1 by s square plus root 8 whole square. So this can be written as cos of 2 root 2 into t. Y means root 8 means 2 root 2, root 2. So here L inverse of 1 by s square plus root 8 whole square is sin 2 root 2 into t, this is root 8 only, divided by 2 root 2. Here already we have 5 root 2. So root 2 get cancelled. Then we are going to get 5 by 2 into sin of 2 into root 2 into t. Next question, L inverse of 2 by root s plus 5 by s square into root s minus 7 by root s. S root s means s power 3 by 2. S square root s means s power 5 by 2. Root s means s power 1 by 2. Now 3 by 2 means 1 by 2 plus 1. 5 by 2 means 3 by 2 plus 1. 1 by 2 means minus 1 by 2 plus 1. That means n equal to 1 by 2, n equal to 3 by 2, n equal to minus 1 by 2. Now I am going to use L of 1 by s power n plus 1 equal to t power n by gamma of n plus 1. So 2 as it is. For this function, for this term, n equal to 1 by 2. So t power 1 by 2 by gamma of 3 by 2 plus 5 as it is. For this term, n equal to 3 by 2. So t power 3 by 2 by gamma of 5 by 2 minus 7 as it is. For this term, n equal to minus 1 by 2. So t power minus 1 by 2 by gamma of 1 by 2. So already we know that the values of gamma of 3 by 2 is 1 by 2 into gamma of 1 by 2. Gamma of 5 by 2 is 3 by 2 into 1 by 2 into gamma of 1 by 2. Gamma of 1 by 2 value is root pi. On simplification, we are going to get this step. This is the answer for given a function L inverse. Next one, shifting property for inverse Laplace transforms. That is L inverse of f of s minus a equal to e power at into f of t equal to e power at into L inverse of f of s, because f of t means L inverse of f of s only. So now I am going to solve these problems. L inverse of 3s plus 1 by s plus 1 whole power 4. So first I am taking this one, that is the given function 3s plus 1 by s plus 1 whole power 4. Here I am writing 1 as 3 minus 2. Why means if I write like this, I can take 3 as common. So 3 into s plus 1 minus 2 by s plus 1 whole power 4. So 3 by s plus 1 by s plus 1 whole power 4 means 1 s plus 1 get cancelled, minus 2 by s plus 1 whole power 4. By using shifting property, L inverse of 3 by s plus 1 whole cubed is 3 outside plus 1 is there, that's why e power minus t. L inverse of 1 by s cube. Here n is 2, so t square by 2 factorial. 2 factorial means 2 only, so 3 by 2 into e power minus t, t square. Next L inverse of this one. L inverse of 2 by s plus 1 whole power 4 means 2 outside, L inverse of 1 by s plus 1 whole power 4. By using shifting property, e power minus t, because plus 1 here, so L inverse of 1 by s power 4, n equal to 3, so t cubed by 3 factorial. On simplification, you are going to get this step. Now I am going to substitute these two values here. Then on simplification, I am going to get L inverse of given function, that is e power minus t into 3 by 2 t square minus t cubed by L inverse of s by s plus 3 whole power 5. Now I am writing numerator as s plus 3 minus 3. So again s plus 3 by s plus 3 whole power 5 means s plus 3 whole power 4 minus 3 by s plus 3 whole power 5. Again by using first shifting property, that is L inverse of taking L inverse on both sides. So here by using shifting theorem, plus 3 is there, that's why e power minus 3t. Then afterwards we have L inverse of 1 by s power 4, that means n equal to 3, so t cubed by 3 factorial. Minus 3 as it is, plus 3 is there. By using shifting property, e power minus 3t, L inverse of 1 by s power 5 means n equal to 4, so t power 4 by 4 factorial. On simplification, I am going to get the L inverse of given function like this. L inverse of s square by s minus a whole cube. Now I am going to write down numerator s square like this. The simplification of this is s square only. Here s minus a whole square by s minus a whole cube is 1 by s minus a plus 2a by s minus a whole square by s minus a whole cube. Take Laplace inverse on both sides and then we are going to get this step. Here I am taking constants outside. Here minus a is there, that's why e power at. Here first of all e power at, then L inverse of 1 by s square, that means n equal to 1, so t by 1 factorial. Here again by using shifting property, minus a is there, so e power at, L inverse of 1 by s cube, so n equal to 2, that's why t square by 2 factorial. 2 factorial is 2. On simplification, I am going to get this is the L inverse of given function. Next one, L inverse of s plus 3 by s plus 3 whole square plus 36. Here we have one standard formula, that is L inverse of s plus b by s plus b whole square plus a square equal to e power minus bt into cos at. Here a equal to 36 means 6 square, that's why a equal to 6, b equal to 3. Therefore, the answer is e power minus 3t into cos 60. Next question, L inverse of s plus 2 by s square minus 2s plus 5. So, observe in the denominator, now I am going to change the denominator. Here s square minus 2s plus 5 is there. So, observe s square minus 2s. 2s here also we have 2s only. That's why I am writing 1 here. So, 1 into s into minus 2s only. Now, I am going to add plus 1 and subtracting minus 1 plus 5 as it is. But from s square to this plus 1 can be written as s minus 1 whole square. Minus 1 as it is, plus 5 as it is. 5 minus 1 means 4. So, 4 can be written as 2 square. Again 2 can be written as minus 1 plus 3. Now, s plus 1 divided by s plus 1 whole square plus 2 square plus 3 by s minus 1 whole square plus 2 square. So, now I am going to find out L inverse of each term separately. Here observe s minus 1, s minus 1, that's why e power t, L inverse of s by s square plus 2 square. This is the value of cos 2t. Similarly, L inverse of 3 by s minus 1 whole square plus 2 square. Here 3 outside, minus 1 is there, that's why e power t, L inverse of 1 by s square plus 2 square. This is the formula for sin 2t by 2. So, again rearranging, we are going to get 3 by 2 into e power t sin 2t. Now, substitute these two values. Here, observe, this is the final answer for L inverse of given function. Next model, here we are going to find out L inverse by using partial fractions. L inverse of 1 by s into s plus 1 into s plus 2. Write down the given function a by s plus b by s plus 1 plus c by s plus 2. So, find out the values of a, b, c. So, a equal to 1 by 2, b equal to minus 1, c equal to 1 by 2. Substitute ABC values here and take L inverse. So, 1 by 2 constant, L inverse of 1 by 2 is there. A value is 1 by 2, L inverse of 1 by s minus y means b value is minus 1, L inverse of 1 by s plus 1, c value is 1 by 2, L inverse of 1 by s plus 2. 1 by 2 as it is, L inverse of 1 by s is 1, 1 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 2 minus plus 1 is there, so e power minus t, 1 by 2 as it is, plus 2 is there, so e power minus 2t. This is the answer for given question. Next question, L inverse of 4s plus 5 by s plus 1 whole square into s plus 2. Let 4s plus 5 equal to s plus 1 whole square into s plus 2. Now I am going to write this as a by s plus 1 plus b by s plus 1 whole square plus c by s plus 2. So, take LCM, cancel the denominators, then you are going to get equation 1. Put s equal to minus 1, then b equal to 1. Put s equal to minus 2, then c equal to minus 3. Compare the coefficients of x square on both sides, then a plus c equal to 0, then a equal to 3. Substitute the values of a, b, c here and apply L inverse. Then we are going to get this step. Here plus 1 is there, that's why e power minus t. Here plus 1 is there, that's why e power minus t. After that, L inverse of 1 by s square, that means n equal to 1. So t by t 1 factorial, that is t only, minus 3 as it is. Here plus 2 is there, that's why e power minus 2t. So this is the Laplace inverse of given function. Next question, L inverse of 5s plus 3 by s minus 1 into s square plus 2s plus 5. I am going to write this fraction as a by s minus 1 plus bs plus c by s square plus 2s plus 5. Take LCM, cancel the denominators, then this is the equation which I am going to get. Put s equal to 1, then a equal to 1. Put s equal to 0, then c equal to 2. Compare the coefficients of s square on both sides, then b equal to minus 1. Substitute the values, then I am going to get this step. Here I am writing plus 2 as 3 minus 1. So take minus sign, then becomes minus of s plus 1 plus 3 by s square plus 2s plus 5. Again apply L inverse on both sides. So observe this term, here 5 is there. I am writing 5 as 4 plus 1. I am taking 1, 2 together with s square plus 2s plus 1, that becomes s plus 1 whole square. Remaining 4 is there, that 4 becomes 2 square. So first term as it is, here I am going to multiply and divide with 2. Next minus L inverse of this minus L inverse of s plus 1 by s plus 1 whole square plus 2 square. This term which is already I have written, this term. So observe, this is minus 1 is there, that's why e power t. Here 3 by 2 take outside. Here plus 1 is there, that means e power minus t. The remaining L inverse of 2 by s square plus 2 square is sin 2t. Minus, here plus 1 is there, this can be written as e power minus t. L inverse of s by s square plus 2 square, that is cos 2t. Okay, observe, e power minus t is common in these two terms. Take common, then we are going to get L inverse of given function. Next one, find the inverse Laplace transform of the following functions. First question, L inverse of s by s power 4 plus 4 into a power 4. So I am writing this as like this. This value and this value is same. If you want, you can check. This is a plus b whole square formula, minus 4a square s square means the same thing only. So observe, this is a square minus 2as whole square. That means a square minus b square formula. So a plus b into a minus. So s square plus 2a square plus 2as into s square plus 2a square minus 2as. And also 4as equal to s square plus 2a square plus 2as minus s square plus 2a square minus 2as. That means s square get cancelled, 2a square get cancelled, 2as plus 2as becomes 4as. So substitute those values. Observe, 1 by 4a. In the denominator, I am going to substitute this value. Here we need only s, that's why here we have 4as. That's why I am writing divided by 1 by 4a. So 4as here. Observe, 4as. This is 4as. 4a get cancelled. Then s by, that is your given function. So again take this set and cancel this term and this term, then you are going to get this term. Minus, again take this fraction, then cancel this term and this term, then you are going to get s square plus 2a square plus 2as term. Again this term denominator can be written like this, this denominator can be written like this. Okay, here what I am writing means plus a square inside the square term, another a square outside. Here also one a square inside this a plus b whole square, one more a square is outside. So here minus a is there, that's why e power at. Remaining is 1 by s square plus a square. Here plus a is there, that's why e power minus at. Remaining is L inverse of 1 by s square plus a square. So this is sin at by a. This is also sin at by a. Here sin at by a, sin at by a common. So take outside, and also 4 can be written as 2 2s are. So here we are going to get e power minus at minus e power minus at by 2. This is sin h at. That's why this is the final answer for the given question. So L inverse of s square by s power 4 plus 4a power 4. This is also same as it is before problem. That's why s by same thing. Here 1 by 4a. Here I am writing s as s minus a plus a. Here also I am writing s plus a minus a. So observe, here minus a is there, that's why e power at. L inverse of s plus a by s square plus a square. Again here also s e power minus at. After taking e power minus at, here also L inverse is there. L inverse of s minus a by s square plus a square. So here by use same as in the previous problem, this is cos at, this is sin at. So e power at minus e power minus at by 2. Here also e power at plus e power minus at by 2. This is sin h at, this is cos h at. So to solve this problem, you need the knowledge of previous problem. So L inverse of s by s power 4 plus s square plus 1. This can be written like this. Here also a square minus b square formula. That means s square plus 1 minus s into s square plus 1 plus s. So 2s is equal to subtraction of these two. So but here we have s only. That's why I am writing 1 by 2 outside. So again by using the first question, it is also same as first question. Observe, this term and this term get cancelled. You are going to get this term. Here also this term and this term get cancelled. You are going to get this term. So 1 by 2 as it is. Now I am going to apply L inverse for each term separately. So this term, the denominator can be written as s minus 1 by 2 whole square plus root 3 by 2 whole square. Here this denominator can be written like this, s plus 1 by 2 whole square plus root 3 by 2 whole square. Here minus 1 by 2 is there, that's why e power t by 2. L inverse of 1 by s square plus root 3 by 2 whole square. Here e power 1 by 2 is there, that's why e power minus 1 by 2. L inverse of 1 by s square plus root 3 by 2 whole square. E power t by 2 into, this is sin root 3 by 2 t divided by root 3 by 2. But fraction reciprocates, that's why 2 by root 3. Similarly, this is also 2 by root 3 into sin of root 3 by 2 into t. Take this common and write down the remaining terms. Observe, here 2 by root 3 is there. So observe, here 1 by 2 is there. 2 by root 3, 2 by root 3 is common. 2 to get cancelled. Then you are going to get 1 by root 3. Sin of root 3 by 2 into t is common. Take outside. Here only we have e power t by 2 minus e power minus t by 2. But I am writing 2 in the denominator by multiplying with 2. So 2 by, so the answer is 2 by root 3 into sin of root 3 by 2 into t sin h of t by 2. This expression is sin h of t by 2. This is the final answer. Next topic, Heaviside shift theorem. L inverse of e power minus as into f of s equal to f of t minus a into u of t minus a. Here we have questions. From these functions, we want to find out inverse Laplace transform. So L inverse of e power minus 3s into s minus 4 whole square. So f of s is 1 by s minus 4 whole square. L inverse of f of s equal to L inverse of 1 by s minus 4 whole square. Here minus 4 is there, that's why e power 4t. After that L inverse of 1 by s square, that means n equal to 1. So t by 1 factorial, that is t itself. Take this as f of t. Therefore, by using Heaviside shift theorem, we get L inverse of e power minus 3s by s minus 4 whole square. Here we did not take an e power minus 3s, only I take 1 by s minus 4 whole square. So now I am taking e power minus 3s, that is L inverse of e power minus 3s into f of s. This value equal to f of t minus 3, u of t minus 3. Why 3 means here 3 is there. So f of t is t into e power 4t. Therefore, t is replaced with t minus 3. So t minus 3 into e power 4 times of t minus 3 into u of t minus 3 as it is. This is the L inverse of given function. Next one, L inverse of 3 by s square plus 2 into e power minus s cube divided by s cube minus 3 into e power minus 2s by s. Write down separate Laplace inverse for each function by taking constants outside. So L inverse of 1 by s square is t, because here n equal to 1. L inverse of 1 by s cube is t square by 2 factorial. 2 factorial means 2 only. L inverse of 1 by s is 1 only. Hence, equation 1 becomes 3 outside. L inverse of 1 by s square is t only, plus 2 into this 2. Here a equal to 1, that's why t minus 1 whole square divided by 2 is this 2, u of t minus 1. Minus 3 as it is. Here 1 is there, that's why I am putting 1. That means f of t minus 2 is 1. So u of t minus 2, which is equal to 3t plus 2 to get cancelled, t minus 1 whole square into u of t minus 1 minus 3u into t minus 2. So this is the final answer. Next question, L inverse of s into e power minus 2s into pi by 3 s square minus 9. Here also I am taking only s by s square minus 9. This is equal to cos h 3t. By using Heaviside shift theorem, the L inverse of s into e power minus 2s pi by 3 divided by s square minus 9 equal to f of t minus 2 pi by 3 into u of t minus 2 pi by 3. Here f of t is this one. So f of t minus 2 pi by 3 is this one. This is the final answer. Next one, L inverse of s into e power minus s by 2 plus pi into e power minus s by s square plus pi square. So here I am writing e power minus s by 2 here, s by s square plus pi square here, pi by s square plus pi square here, e power minus s here. That means I am writing this as one function, this as one function. So L inverse of s by s square plus pi square is cos pi t. L inverse of pi by s square plus pi square is sin pi t. Now by using Heaviside shifting theorem, we can write L inverse of this quantity as cos of pi into t minus 1 by 2 into u of t minus 1 by 2. Again, by using Heaviside shift theorem, this L inverse of this function can be written as sin of pi into t minus 1 into u of t minus 1. So again, this value is equal to this one. So on simplification, we are going to get this term. So this is the final answer. So these are the exercise problems. Solve by yourself and find the inverse Laplace transforms of all functions. These are the few references books. Go through it. Thank you, one and all.